Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about how to delete all temporary files in your Windows. For this, I'm using Windows 11, but don't worry, this method's also working on other versions as well. Let's get started. So first, we want to run some Windows commands to delete temporary files in some locations of your Windows. For that, right-click on your Windows Start button and go to Run option, or simply press Windows plus R. In that box, type temp and click OK. This will show your Windows temporary files. Select all files and hit delete to remove them. If you see a message like this, simply press continue. Close this window and again go back to Run app and type percentage sign TEMP percentage sign. Click OK. These are your application's temporary files. Select all and press Shift Delete. If you see a message like this, skip all. For the last time, go back to your Run app, type PREFETCH on the box and press Enter. Again, select all files and delete them. Skip the message. Now we want to delete all Windows installation temporary files. For that, go to Windows and search Storage Settings. Open Storage Settings. Select Yes. Open Temporary Files. These are your Windows installation temporary files. Select all unwanted files and press Remove Files button. Press Continue. Go back and again got to temporary files. Double check for make sure they had deleted or not. Let's delete unnecessary installed apps from your computer. Go back from temporary files and click Installed Apps option. You can delete every unwanted apps here. For that, click 3 dots in front of the apps and simply click Uninstall. Third step is delete temporary files in your C drive. Go to Windows Start, then search Disk Cleanup and open it. Select C drive and press Enter. Select everything, but if you see a download icon or a download folder here, don't select that. If you select that, your download folder also will delete. Press OK and delete files. This is an extra tip to maintain your C drive without run out their storage. Stop installing everything on your C drive. You can download games, apps, and files to any drive on your PC. Go to your Chrome browser and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Click Downloads in the left bottom. If you are enabled this first option, you can download anything to custom location of your PC. Also, you can change location to any drive in your PC to downloads by clicking Change option and select the folder you want. It will save your space on your C drive. This might not be a full cleanup session, but it will help you to make faster Windows experience. I hope you enjoy the video and recover some space on your drives using these methods. If you have any feedbacks or questions, please write it on the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you think this will help your friends, please share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.